Boost your well-being with self-compassion, proven strategies to excel at kindness. Introduction. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the secrets to cultivating a healthy mindset. Today, we are diving deep into the concept of self-compassion and how it can transform your life. In a world that often emphasizes achievement and self-criticism, it's crucial to remember that being kind to yourself is the foundation of personal growth and contentment. By practicing self-compassion, you can experience increased resilience, improved mental health, and a greater sense of overall well-being. So, let's explore some proven strategies to excel at kindness towards ourselves. Content. When it comes to self-compassion, it's important to remember that it's not about being self-indulgent or making excuses for our shortcomings. Instead, it's about treating ourselves with the same kindness, understanding, and support that we would offer to a friend or loved one. Self-compassion is rooted in the belief that we all deserve love, care, and forgiveness, regardless of our imperfections or mistakes. One powerful strategy to cultivate self-compassion is through mindfulness. By practicing mindfulness, we can develop a non-judgmental awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. This allows us to observe our inner critic without getting caught up in its negative self-talk. Mindfulness helps us recognize that we are not our thoughts or emotions, but rather the observers of them. It enables us to respond to ourselves with kindness and understanding, rather than harsh judgment. Another effective strategy is to reframe our self-talk. We often have an inner critic that constantly reminds us of our failures, shortcomings, or perceived inadequacies. To excel at kindness towards ourselves, we need to challenge this critical voice and replace it with a more compassionate and supportive one. By consciously reframing negative self-talk into positive and affirming statements, we can gradually shift our mindset towards self-compassion. Practicing gratitude is yet another powerful tool in our self-compassion toolkit. Gratitude allows us to shift our focus from what is lacking or wrong in our lives to what is positive and abundant. By regularly expressing gratitude for ourselves and our accomplishments, we can foster self-compassion and cultivate a healthier perspective on our worth and value. Finally, it's important to remember that self-compassion is an ongoing practice. Just like any skill, it requires consistent effort and dedication. Be patient with yourself as you navigate this journey towards greater self-compassion. Celebrate small victories and forgive yourself for setbacks or moments of self-judgment. Remember, self-compassion is not an end goal, but a lifelong journey towards self-acceptance and kindness. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of self-compassion, I encourage you to reflect on how these strategies can be integrated into your daily life. Start by incorporating small acts of self-kindness into your routine, such as taking breaks when you need them or engaging in activities that bring you joy. Embrace self-compassion as a fundamental aspect of your well-being, and watch as it transforms your relationship with yourself and others. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on cultivating a healthy mindset. Remember, practicing self-compassion is not only beneficial for you but also for those around you. So, let's spread kindness and create a ripple effect of well-being.